So our focus at Western Audio Visual is AV integration, commercial, and we kind of specialize in municipalities. We've been using SI for about 3 years now. The main reason we switched is we were still using, a compilation of spreadsheets and different file structures to keep all of our pricing, BOMs in order, and it just became too hard to keep track of multiple different projects through spreadsheets. And we really were just kind of looking to get more efficient and centralized with all of our information in one spot. Probably my favorite feature about SI, being I'm on the kind of finance, accounting, and operations side, is just having everything in one spot. Whether that's all our ICOs, all our projects, all our purchase orders. It's just made us a lot more efficient as far as how we order and how we operate. Especially with how things are changing so much as far as price increases and things going end of line. It's really easy for us to be able to, say there's a price increase, that just happened on June 1st. It's really easy for us to see all the projects that we have that have been approved and awarded to us, but we still haven't ordered. So that way we can go ahead and quickly filter for all the different projects that have said manufacturer that has a price increase, and we're able to get everything ordered before the price increase, versus in the past when we were just spreadsheets, it would have been nearly impossible for us to figure out what's been awarded, what has not been ordered. So just having everything in one spot as far as tracking, where our jobs stand and being able to quickly find the information and the data that we need at a big scale has just been extremely beneficial and made us way more efficient. I can think of a number of projects recently where due to having D-Tools and being able to track the status of items a lot more quickly and efficiently, we were able to catch not only back orders, stuff where manufacturers never received our PO, that we were able to get the equipment in before our guys were trying to close up, and it became a fire drill where we're going to have to overnight material or have to come back and obviously disappoint our customer and not meet a deadline. So I would say the biggest thing would be just the fact that we're able to be aware of problems before they become a problem, and we can kind of nip stuff in the tail before it becomes an issue where it's affecting our performance and our work and our customer satisfaction. Is now with all the information, the data we have as far as our change orders, our hours, and all the tracking, I can say in the last year our margins have gone up by probably about 5 or 6%, just due to the tracking and the reviews that we have now, that were a lot more difficult to do the reviews when you had information on a bunch of different places and different spreadsheets. So having everything in one spot, we're able to track and see where a project's at a lot sooner before a project closes, so we're able to make changes if needed, or if a project just didn't go the way we wanted, we're able to learn from it a lot faster. So that way our engineers, our sales team, and everyone on the operations side are fixing our mistakes and things that go wrong a lot sooner, which in turn has made us a lot more profitable and a lot more efficient in how we operate. D-Tools has been in the business a long time, so it's nice to know that you have someone who has been here, they're going to be here in the future. You're not making it's a huge decision to either switch softwares or bring on a new software. So whenever you make those decisions, it's nice to know there's someone that's been around for a long time, they're going to be around for a long time. And then just kind of the for our kind of niche of being in AV, there's not a lot of other solutions that are as detailed and have as much scope and breadth that D-Tools is able to provide, along with the onboarding experience and the training that you receive is very good. And then also just the kind of the forums, the YouTube videos that are out there as well. It's a lot easier to kind of like self-teach for the times where you have to figure out something quickly, versus a lot of other platforms don't have kind of the history and the breadth of resources online, whether that be kind of self-study or directly working with a professional services person with D-Tools. So I would just say the amount of training and data and resources that D-Tools provides, not only besides having a great product, but just kind of helping you get started and answering questions, has just been extremely helpful. Perfect.